Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the asylum. Today's video, we're going to take a peek at a long overdue project that has been hiding beneath these covers for over a year now, maybe even a little longer. I'm kind of ashamed of myself for not getting it done sooner. I've got parts. I've got it partially painted, had the engine running, got the seat recovered, everything. And then I was working on it kind of slow anyway. But that's the gist of what we're doing for today on the channel. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this bike and what's been going on with it. Probably a year and a half ago, I had sent all the chrome out to a chrome shop. And finally, about 2 or 3 months ago, I finally called them to ask when I could get chrome back. So I got most of it back. It's on the table right there that the camera is sitting on. I'll show it to you. And then, after I show you the starting point that I'm working with here, I'll talk a little bit about some of the other stuff that's going on around here. So as you can see here, I've got the rims, the hardware that I didn't have replacement parts for, that I've gotten all re-chromed, the springs, the chain adjusters. One thing they couldn't chrome, this exhaust pipe. They tried to weld up the pinholes in it, and they couldn't get it successfully. So I will either try again, or I will ask the owner of this bike if he has another pipe, since he seems to have a great stash of parts. Now you will notice I said the owner of this bike. And this bike has been kind of a sticking point for me. I've kind of lost my motivation to work on it a lot. So I'm hoping that enough of you will like this project and subscribe to the channel to follow it, so that I will be motivated to keep working on it. I have to finish this bike. It's long overdue. It's too beautiful for me not to finish. But you see, I quit doing restoration work for other people. And I really don't want to do work for other people on their motorcycles anymore. I have too much fun with things of my own. Like last week, you saw me, I upgraded the brakes on my Royal Enfield, swapped out the rear brakes from By-Brie to Genuine Brembo, which worked out great. I'm still pedaling with my three-wheeler back there. Not a lot has happened with it. It's been pretty reliable. I did peel all the decals off of it that I didn't like. And of course, I got this beauty done, this Yamaha SR500, thanks to the folks at WeBike. Which, while we're on the subject of WeBike, now would be a good time for me to tell you that their summer sale is still going on. It's in week 2. You need to go to japan.webike.net and check out their specials. They have over 50 brands on sale of unique performance parts. So that's kind of it. I'm going to finish painting up all the parts now. Then I had to get back to work on it. The whole thing is in good shape. I'll have to clean it back up, clean all the dust off of it, and get it ready to go. But that'll be a subject for another time. So anyhow, this is pretty much all I'm showing on today's video. Like I said, I got a lot of parts already. I'm probably about a third done with this bike as far as painting parts and stuff. I need to finish painting the rest of the parts and start assembling it. And I'm going to be documenting that here on YouTube. Like I said, if you want to follow along, if you want to keep up with it, this is a rare early model 64 CL72 Honda. It's 250cc. It looks like a 305, but it's a 250. The engine is in great shape. I had already recovered the seat. It's been sitting here collecting dust. It is done with the proper fasteners and bolts, screws, everything will be 100% correct. This is not the first bike that I have restored like this. I have an earlier video, which I'll play a little clip of right here, of an early model CL77 305 scrambler that I restored a few years back. Like I said, you want to keep up with it, you want to keep me motivated to finish it, to hurry up and finish it, and to get it done right, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like so that we can just feel happier about being here. That's the main thing. I'm not in this for money. I'm in it for the love of motorcycles and teaching people. And I enjoy that very much. In the meantime, y'all keep riding, keep wrenching, and stay crazy.